I'm Honorable Saki Samuel, two-time Edo State House of Assembly member. I'm a politician and also a farmer. I'm an Igara Indije in Itu Akwata in Akoko Edo State. First and foremost, I wish Simpa, the ASJAM director, congratulations. I know that AFMI Bihat is I would say it's a small one, because what Simpa, the ASJAM director, has done so far, as far as I'm aware, is that he's going to climb more ladder higher than that of AFMI Bihat, because he's a man of the people. He's a man who respects the young and the old. He's a man who believes in giving out to people. That is to the less privileged. First and foremost, I will tell you that I know ASJAM director, Simba Shishana, maybe 15 to 20 years now. I've never come to across him quarreling with anybody. All what he knows is happiness. What he believes is that Igara must move on, AFMI must move on, Akoko Edo must move on, Edo State must move on. He's a man who believes also in tradition. First and foremost, I want to bring people's mind back home is that this is a man who believes, why I said he believed that Igara should move on, is that he came down to this Igara and gave us two giant hotels named ASJAM 1 and 2. One at Ubobo, one at Ofa. Those are business that make some people, then they become a worker today, and they are earning a good salary in that place. I'm aware that there is an old man that he employed to become a security. This is an old man who cannot even do anything, but the fact, yes, the man is old, he can't do anything. Just to help him, so stay in that my house, the security house, be a room self-contained. The man stayed there. In this Igara, I've never seen where they pay security up to 10,000, but he paid the man 20,000 every month. That's to tell you how godly he is. He's a man who believes, look, he believes in good thing. He believes in good thing. He believes in his own family. He believes in another people's family. I'm the beneficiary of what I'm saying. ASJAM, he gave me fit. He said, "Oh, Saki, no, let me give you this car." And he gave me a car. For you to know that he's a very generous a woman being. Not some people felt, "Oh, we must fight, or we must kill, or we must do this for Igara to stable." No. He believed that as far as you are an Igara, you are Igara. Not to say, "Oh, now because I'm this session, I'm from that session." It doesn't work on that. So I congratulate him again, and I wish him more of such even from the state and the federal. God will give it to him. Well, I will advise others to do same. I think I left something out that I'm supposed to congratulate the wife, because if you are dancing well, when there is a masquerade outside, inside, coming outside to command, he will dance inside first. The people of the owner of those masquerades will be clapping and say, "Yes, you are dancing well." If supposing the wife doesn't give him to say go on, he may likely to say, "Oh, I'm not helping anybody." But the wife is a person who also believes, and they have the same godly mind. Say, "Oh, we must give out. God has blessing us. Let us give out to people." So first and foremost, I think I should congratulate the wife. And those who doesn't have, or those that have and they don't want to do, some are willing to do, but their wife will say, "Oh, are you the one to go and take care of everybody? And tomorrow, what do we?" But ASJAM is not like that. ASJAM believe suddenly that whatever I have now, let me share it with people. And that's why he's doing it. Some people have money more than him. People are richer than him. But you see, let me tell you, you can't use a basket to cover the smoke. The smoke must surely go out. So you cannot force person in the way to say, oh, people should emulate him. People have more than that. If a man wants to do, the wife says no, nothing they can do, and such people cannot even do for themselves. I don't believe that people should be thinking, oh, they must beg you before you do something. They should copy from him. They are seeing the way he's doing things. So whoever has the power and doesn't want to do, good luck. Nobody has the whole power in his life. But I pray that those that have, God should also touch them and come and do the same, so that our people, particularly our graduates who have no job, can get job through such work. Nothing stops us to have a company or the same hotel. Hotel can, if you employ 4 or 5 people, but some people felt, oh, so if I have a hotel now, come and put graduate. Go to big hotels, you see graduate. Even the one Aljam is controlling here, I know the manager there is a graduate. Some are even in the holder. Some are undergraduates coming there to come and when they are in holidays. So he has done well. So I beg other people to take you from him too, so that they can do that. But I definitely know that it's not by force. The will in the mind that determines what you want to do. Couple with your wife. But once your wife is with you, God is also with you. And that's what I believe. Yeah, AFMI development and anyway, AFMI big heart. What I have there for them is that first and foremost, I would say God be the glory, because without God, they could have been able to set up such organization. But I will still appeal to them that they should move it further, higher than that, to see that we can even talk of the whole Edo State, not only AFMI. Because in the Edo State today, AFMI may be second in command. It was before we say, oh, Benin is first, Isha is second. But today now we can say Benin, where our headquarters is the first, Esako is now second. So I believe all the people of AFMI, particularly uneducated ones, should be able to come together and do things in common, like what is happening in America, where they call AFMI Congress, which I've happened to attend once in Los Angeles. So I pray to God that God should bless them and give them the capacity to move the AFMI big heart further more than this.
Whoa! What a rich testimonial on AFMI big heart for March 2020. Engineer Sir Simpa Asociana and AFMI born distinguished oil and gas icon, renowned hotelier, and a world-class philanthropist from Igara, the headquarters of Akoko Edo government area, Edo State, South Nigeria.
Okay, people, this is about the 316 introducing Felix Adetayo, the Ejekajo master now going to one of Igara land in his new track.
Maso Gayada,
Mako Abotara, Ino Manu Baby, Mako Abotara.
Hey, Mako Abotara,
Ino Manu Baby, Mako Abotara.
Maso Gayada, hey,
Mako Abotara, Ino Manu Baby, Mako Abotara.
hey, Mako Abotara,
Ino Manu Baby, Mako Abotara.
Maso Gayada, hey,
Mako Abotara, Ino Manu Baby, Mako Abotara.
hey, Ololobere, Oni Jesu, Memi, oh, Ololobere, Oni Jesu.
thank you for watching. Please stay tuned as I bring to you very shortly the next series of this historic celebration on this same online TV channel. I remain yours sincerely, Ray Festus Simpa of AFMI Today TV, joining the good people of AFMI land and the rest of the world to celebrate this great AFMI development aficionado.